Hey there, it's Mark. This is a case of Hot Wheels Racerverse. That's these type of packages right here. They have a little character, little figure in there. I shouldn't say character because that would get confusing, like these character cars. I'm going to talk about these after the unboxing. Since the name of the video is this, I should start with this right away. And I'll show those other ones as well. Whatever I find on the pegs with the Racerverse is, okay, but I noticed that, there's quite a few that have gone by and I didn't see them on the pegs. I was pretty lucky to at least get one Back to the Future. There's a Chase. I don't know how to describe what it is, but there is a Chase, which I'm kind of disappointed. I wish they wouldn't just do chases all the time, because then that's the one, that's the one that you wind up not getting because somebody got it. That's the one that gets taken and scalped, which is the game. I understand. I get it. I just wish they didn't do it. Now, I don't particularly want to buy cases for these because I don't necessarily want doubles like Stitch. I was able to find Stitch before, so this is an extra, which is okay because when I get back to track videos, definitely going to want Stitch. And if Stitch gets messed up, I want an extra, right? This one's pretty cool. This is Mike Wazowski from Monsters, Inc. And pretty cool. It's a 6-wheeler. There you have a look at him. I didn't give you real quick. Let me show you real quick. There's the artwork. I don't know if I showed you. I won't take too long. I'll try to keep these things moving along. Interesting car. I like collecting diecast cars. And if you like them, great. I think the Racerverse line is probably better suited for the masses than the character cars. I'll talk about that more later. See, this is one definitely. I thought, this was gone. Jack Skellington didn't get it off of the pegs, of course, from the Nightmare Before Christmas property. Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas. There's the artwork. So, you know what? I'm going to get the case. Got it from a dealer. They do not show the character cars. They kind of show what's in the batch. I think that's pretty much true. But this, they just show one car. Which, to be honest, probably makes sense. Because this way they don't create confusion. Because what if they decide to sell these somewhere else besides, like at Universal Studios, the Nintendo Mario Kart car showed up at Universal Studios, but only certain releases. Here's Thanos. I don't remember if I found Thanos before. So, if they sell it. Oh, look, this one has all the cars. I wonder if they're only going to do it if it's the same property. So Jack Skellington, is there anything? I don't think there's any other characters yet so far from that movie. But like these three, they're all Marvel. Wolverine, Thanos, Rocket. So it makes sense to put them on there. There's Thanos. That makes sense. Here's Wolverine. There you go. There's his face. His helmet. Those wings are pretty big. And Rocket. There's a close-up of the artwork. These are very nicely done. These can apply to kids, collectors of Hot Wheels, collectors of Marvel. So they probably have a wider acceptability or collectability. People who would want to buy them. Elsa. Yeah, I buy the girl stuff too. I'll show you some girlies. Like Poppy. What movie was that with the pink hair sticking up? There's a look at her artwork. Does it show anything in the back? Elsa and Stitch. Oh, because they're both Disney properties. That makes sense. But Stitch didn't have anything on the back. I don't think it did. Stitch. Oh, it did. So only that one because they don't have any other cars to go with Nightmare. I don't think so. Anyways, here you have Moana. From Disney's Moana. Pretty cool looking vehicle. It's like a sail. Right? Makes sense. Makes sense. That's a pretty cool because of her in the movie, right? I don't know the movies that well, but I know about this. And what was that bird? What was that bird that fell in the ocean or something? Anyways, I don't know it that well. So kind of cool. I had to get it because like Jack Skellington, not going to find that. It's gone. And then over half of the case, I didn't have them. So it made sense for me to acquire it. So here's some cars. What's newer? This is newer. I got these at the end of 2024. Here you have the Back to the Future. Marty McFly. There he is in the DMC DeLorean, or the Back to the Future time machine. Gotta have this one. I wish I found two, but that's the way it goes. Got one. Oh, they don't show the others. I thought there's 3 cars. There's 2 for sure. Here's another trio. Iron Man, Groot, Black Panther. Here is Groot. Who's that? I am Groot. Oh, different color wheels. I didn't notice that before. It's gold in front. You can see it right here. That is gold. Sorry if I keep bumping the microphone. I have my Yeti right here. Oh, as a matter of fact, you can see it. I didn't realize it was in camera. I don't know where my other recording device is. My Zoom H6. One stopped working, and the other one, I don't know where it is. I'm pretty sure I bought 2. I'm pretty sure I bought an extra when I had the money. Good thing, but now I don't know where it is. He-Man. Just a He-Man. You collect any of these Racerverse or character cars? People probably going to like the Racerverse better. I'm a fan of both. I like to collect lots of different kinds of diecasts. Even when Maisto started coming out with Maisto had an Iron Man series too. We're going back 15 years now. Most people might not know about it. This one, what I do is I don't make videos all that time. Sometimes I just put a picture on Instagram and move on. Don't take too much time. Put a picture, move on. Making this video right here is going to take me an hour at least. SpongeBob SquarePants. This is pretty cool because there was actually a playset, a Matchbox playset that had a boat with Did it have SpongeBob? It had to have SpongeBob actually. I actually used to use that playset for my birthday parties for kids when I would set up and did birthday parties for kids. So you can see the shadow of my microphone. Anyways, yeah, because it was just a little set for kids to drive their car around. But you know what? I did not put out. I kept that for myself. I was surprised. I was really excited to see this. Gizmo, there he is from Gremlins. Who's that meowing? Sound like Dottie. Hi, Dottie. Give me a minute. I'm recording. Gizmo. Can I get it close? This is really cool. I don't know if they've had any other... I don't recall Mattel doing anything at all with Gremlins. So this was really neat to see. I was lucky to get 2 of these. But I wish I found 2 of the SpongeBob as well. So I found this later in 2020. I think I found it later in 2024. This one, I did not check Instagram to see when I found these. I found these at Big Lots. And there's a price sticker. It's like, man, I didn't even know that these were coming out. So I was pretty happy to get all of them, as a matter of fact. These are all the ones that you're going to see here. And if you see the pictures on Instagram I did last year, then same thing. But now you get to see them in a video. Pretty cool. So they take the essence of the character, make it into a vehicle, and that's the way. And you know, all of a sudden I looked at this and I'm thinking, wait a second, DreamWorks. Oh, it says DreamWorks right here. DreamWorks. It's like, well, wait a second. We have Universal Studios annual passes. So there's, I see Shrek at Universal Studios. So why is this DreamWorks? Are they related to Universal Studios? So I had to look it up. DreamWorks also known as DreamWorks Animation LLC, DreamWorks Animation Studios. I said, then, oh, it's owned by Universal Pictures. No wonder why I see them at the Universal Studios. And then they say, but wait a second, Universal Pictures is a division of NBC Universal, which is a subsidiary of Comcast. It gets so confusing. Never mind. I'll just have fun with the cars. All this other stuff, it's extraneous. Doesn't matter. Oh, what is this? Oh, yeah. When I used to work at the post office, Pasadena, PNDC, these were the tags we used to put on the cages. This way, after we sort the mail, this label would go on the cage, and we know that this mail went to this station. Glendale 91201. Anyways, this was scrap paper. Don't think I stole nothing. They stopped using this format, so they tossed all the papers. I said, well, I'm going to take those papers and I'm going to use them. Shrek. I think they have a Shrek character at Universal Studios. You know who they do have for sure. They definitely have this character to where you can take pictures with them. Shrek, Donkey. No, I take it back. Not a character. He has like a booth to where he's like up in a thing and he's behind a wall and he talks to you and so they have this donkey talking to you. I have not stood there talking to him. He just he blurts things out as people walk by. Pretty cool. You know what I do want to do as donkey? I do want to Transformers. They'll have an area where they'll have the Transformers standing there. They're huge and they're people in costume, right? But they're huge. I don't know, they're like 8-10 feet tall. I've been watching them on Instagram. They say some funny stuff, and I never paid much attention to it. But I told my wife, next time we go, I want to just sit around and watch them and the funny stuff that they say. So as far as, converting the character into an essence of a vehicle, I don't get this one at all. It kind of relates to the movie, but as far as to the character, E.T.'s like a little... Where's the bicycle? Well, there's the bicycle, but he would be this small. He would be right there. So this should be a tiny vehicle if it's going to be the essence of the character. It's more the essence, something of the movie than the character. And, so they do different things. The first three just happen to be trucks. This one's like a steak big truck. It's got an opening in the back. Those are probably rubber ears. Donkeys, waffles on... Well... I can't read that. When I add it, I'll be able to see it. Dragons. And this is why I was thinking, wait a second. How come I'm seeing these things at Universal Studios? They had a popcorn bucket with Toothless. There's a theater that they have Kung Fu Panda, which I think is being converted to something else now. I don't recall anything specifically at Universal Studios Hollywood with Puss in Boots. I could be wrong. I don't memorize things. Could be wrong. Toothless, pretty cool character. And identifiable because of the green eyes. And there you go. There's your green eyes. A little hard to see. There you go. Uh-oh. I think one of my cats are going to come in. I heard a bird chirping, so I suspect one of the cats caught a bird. Kung Fu Panda. They haven't caught a bird in a long time. Pose, Fast Noodles, big van type of vehicle, delivery vehicle, panda colors. Look, it's got like ears right there. Pretty neat. This looks like it's metal, and this appears to be plastic. At some point, I'll open it up. Not today. And this is a little one. This E.T. should have been like this size. Puss in Boots. The Last Wish. So it's promoting this movie. So this way Mattel can, they go to the company and say, hey, we'd like to make cars. Is there something you want to promote? And so they come up with this. Disney gets to produce something. I mean, Mattel gets to produce something. DreamWorks or Universal, they get to promote their movie. When I was looking around, could not find this one. I think this is the one. It's like, man, I found every vehicle except for that one, which is obviously going to be the best track car. This one might be an okay track car, right? I don't think so. Might not even fit on the track. Same with this one. Might not even fit on the track. Nope. And you're not going to be balanced. You're going to be wobbly. I don't think that's all plastic on top. I think that's a metal piece. So this one's going to be subject to being imbalanced. This one, skinny. So you know it's going to have a wiggly butt when it goes. If it's on a downhill track, it's going to be wiggling because it has so much room to move in the track. It's like, well, out of all those are least likely to be used. This is the one. And I only knew because it had the picture on the back. So I was really happy to get this one. Anyways, I thought I'd pop in and say hi. I hope y'all are doing well. I'm still collecting. Follow me on Instagram. Bye-bye.